Here is the front door, as always. Right here is the bathroom. Pretty bright, kind of standard Hyatt Regency. Have the light around the mirror with the white countertops. Mirror right there. This immediately this toilet paper looks different. It's a different color, so it's probably better for the environment. Leafy. And then we'll come over here. You got a wider angle to look at the shower. Bright shower with the normal amenities from Hyatt Regency. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Come over here, you got that big mirror. Those are the standard amenities for Hyatt Regency right there. Nice and clean in here. Good job, folks. And we're turning to straight look at the closet. I'm not sure where the light switch is for this. Somewhere, but you have an iron and whatnot. I guess there's no light in there. Then we come here, turn around. This is when you walk in the door. You have your little mini fridge or chiller. I don't even know how cold this will get. Safe. And you have your coffee machine. We go into the room. Very long to get from the door to the window. That's really nice. Lots of space in here. This corridor right here is very wide. Then we have the bed that's right in the corner. A little bit of space here, but it gives you a lot more space over there. This is the wall. We can kind of see. You know, there is space to move over there, but I kind of like how that is. It's giving us a lot of room in here for activities. Got a long desk. A lot of times in hotels, desks are under the TV. I like that. It's away from the TV. Nice big couch. It might be a sleeper couch. Should we check it out? It probably is. That's why it's so long. This room's probably... Yeah, it's a sleeper couch. That's clutch. That's clutch. I didn't think most Regency rooms did that for real. Unless it was a suite. And this is supposed to be a high floor with a city view. Let's see what their view of the city is.